Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video will feature 3 popular makeup trends that you can try this spring 2022. So if you've been craving a new look, we've got you covered with these trends. Bold eyebrows. The look of bold eyebrows are continuing to grow in popularity. From soap being applied to the brows in order to make the hair stand up, to very bold and thick brows. To pull this look off, you'll need to keep your brows full but tame and arched all at the same time. Statement eyes. We can all thank Euphoria for this next trend. Statement eyes are all the rage this season and feature pops of bold color, rhinestones, and exotic detailing. Get creative with your eye game and don't be afraid to try unique accents and bold gems to make this look really stand out. Winged eyeliner. Looking to take your eyeliner game to the next level? Eyeliner as a whole is also very trendy at the moment and entails very bold angles, shapes, and exotic patterns. Get creative in the detailing and don't be afraid to try unique colors to level up your eye game. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. I will soon be featuring a video completely dedicated to eyebrows, so if that is something that you want to see more of, be sure to hit that subscribe button to keep your style up to date, and we'll see you in the next one.